Welcome back to ZENDA. Today I'll show you how to save money instantly on COINEX using one simple referral code, FP57. If you trade on COINEX, this code gives you instant fee discounts, and it works for every new user worldwide. COINEX is one of the fastest growing global crypto exchanges, known for super smooth trading, strong security, and a wide selection of coins. From majors to new gems, millions of users already trade here, but most people forget this one thing. You can reduce your trading fees just by entering a referral code when signing up. Without a referral code, you pay the full trading fee forever. But with referral code FP957, you receive exclusive fee discounts that apply to every spot and futures trade. So instead of paying full fees, you get automatic savings every time you buy or sell crypto. Simple, free, lifetime benefit, no downside. Using the code is super easy. Open COINEX app or website. Go to Profile. When you see referral code, type FP957, complete registration, and your fee discount activates instantly. Trade more, save more. It's literally free discount money you would lose if you sign up without the code. So if you're joining COINEX today, do not skip this step. Use referral